for tonight. We've got to a good point. I'm going to look after my animals, and then tomorrow night I will be streaming perhaps a little bit of Skyrim. Yes, yes. When they settle down. Whoop. I've just thought of something I should have said when I realised I was going wrong. Welcome to my channel. It's a place of calm and relaxed. Oh, shitty fuck. Thank you so much. I'll pop onto Tiltify in a minute and I'll find out who that was. Just to let you know, when we hit $50, I am giving away a cross stitch. I will be doing at the end of. Oh my god, we hit it! Oh my god, we just hit 50. Thank you so much. That means we have Heartless! Oh, incredible. Thank you so much. That's hit my target. Thank you so much. Wow. Guys, we just hit 102. Thank you so much, Hotness. That is incredible. You were so close. Thank you so much. Wow. Okay, so that means that it's going to be a giveaway. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to nip over onto Tiltify. Someone's gifted us to Super Stream the House of Fantastic. Thank you. Mango 100 bits. Thank you so much. Peach a gift. He's fast asleep and he's wagging his tail in his sleep. See if I can move without waking him up. Leave it. No, not what was it? That's the. Oh. Yeah. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Leave. Good boy. Leave. Leave it. Good boy. Leave it. Right. Good boy. Hey. This is stream now, is it? This is stream now, is it? Don't drool on my cross stitch, please. But Jasper, I need to stream. Where are you going? What are you doing? This is my stream now. I own stream. Stream must pay homage to the great Popo. Right. Oh, I think we've had Popo break now. Getting it down. Come on. Come on. Everybody thinks you're cute, but you have to go there. Good. What's his name? Richard Wilson?
I believe so. Hi.
I
Richard.
should not have said that.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Yep.
Did it say... what's it supposed to shut up. We're talking.
Saw him.
Did it say nothing? Receipt. It says something on
Nothing
the actual
detected. No, I didn't come up with anything. But I just saw a shadow behind the car.
I'll tell you what. Drop.
I don't know. Ryan, how do I do it?
Right click.
I'm trying right click. It just goes to.
That's the video camera.
PY then. There you go.
I was just sitting like, I can see the light turning on and off. I was like, wait.
That would be why then. Okay.